Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in here. There's a bunch of stuff that I've never handled. You guys have seen the thumbnail, but me and this recording ether, I haven't experienced it yet. I'm really excited because I had reached out to a friend of mine on Instagram saying, hey, do you still have this? And he said, no, I don't, but I have a friend who does. Do you want me to reach out to him? And I said, sure. And so this friend contacted me, and we talked for a long time. Really, really nice guy. Ryan, thank you so much for lending some of your awesome knives here. He actually ended up showing me his collection, and there were a whole bunch of things in there, including something that I, up until recently, probably never would have, felt the need to experience. But because of a recent newer purchase and something I'm waiting on, I was very interested in taking a look at an older variant. So thank you very much for making this possible. And also thanks so much to my generous patrons. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on some of these stickers, there's a link down in the description. Alright, I'm going to be very careful and make the cut up here, and then we're going to do the rest of it by hand. Because, I mean, let's be honest here. This is essentially the equivalent of me using that tool. Alright, we have a note here. Let me take a look real quick. And, oh yeah, here, let me show his Instagram so you guys can give him a follow, because you absolutely should. He's an excellent person. Here we go. Right there, that's his Instagram, so take a moment to give him a follow. Absolutely. Alright. Let's go ahead. Oh, these are nicely packaged. Yes, wonderful. Sorry, I'm fixing my background there. And we have another security layer here. Just very carefully. There we go. And people say my scalpel's not sharp. It's sharp enough, right? Hashtag use your S word. Just kidding. I've never made that hashtag in my entire life. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And then this one here, and we have another piece of paper in here. Oh boy. Oh, okay. It's the same thing. He's just Ryan. You were making sure that I saw your information. I appreciate that. Making sure that I don't miss it. Very nice. All right. Let's do this one first. Yeah. I have never handled this bad boy, and I am very excited to talk about it. This is the discontinued Spyderco Nirvana. Oh, wait. Got to get the hand position just right. There we go. Yes, this is very easy to engage and disengage. We have a beautiful mirror polished edge on that guy. Wonderful, wonderful, absolutely. So, like, it is literally because of knives like these that I switch out my wedding band with one of these rubber ones, because I cannot stand the idea of putting a mark on somebody else's blade. So yeah, that's, if you guys were wondering sometimes why you see me wearing different colored bands, this is exactly why. It's because sometimes I handle stuff like this. Very beautiful. Can't wait to talk about that one. Okay, we have the purple package here, and I think, again, I know what's in here. This is a knife that I have, well, it's a variant of a knife that I have reviewed very thoroughly on this channel. And I think we're gonna have to cut that little teeny tiny bit of tape right there to make that work. There we go. And let's see if we can find our way into this. There we go. Yeah, so this is the new, wow, I love that texturing. This is the new S45VN Spyderco PM2. So the idea here was to be able to show this to you guys, give my thoughts on it. I'm going to research S45VN and talk about it a bit. You guys kind of know how I do this. I mean, I'm not a channel that will test steel, but I will gather up some information and talk about this. I think it'll be neat. And also, man, look at that texture pattern and that color of, this is one of my favorite colors of G10, this dark forest green. That's really beautiful on the Spyderco PM2, absolutely. And then, last but not least, this is a special knife. One that I recently made an order on, you know, the newer version. Let's see if I can find my way into this. Oh, there's another clasp there. Is there another one? Yeah, there's another one. Alright, here we go. Oh, God. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Brian Nadeau Evo Typhoon. Here we go, ready? I am so happy to finally be handling this. So, I missed the first run of these. Completely. Boy, that is cool. So this is a different type of detent system, which we're going to talk about. But I missed the first run of these. These are made by Riot, designed by Brian Nadeau of the Knife Nuts podcast. Oh God, I'm trying to put words into this, and I'm so happy. So anyways, I missed the first run of these. And by chance, I happened to be informed that the next run was coming out, and I frantically, you know, sold some knives so that I could get in on this. And but I have to wait 3 months for mine. So after talking with Ryan, and he showed me his collection, I saw this guy sitting, you know, amidst a lot of other knives, and I said, "Is that an Evo Typhoon?" And he said, "Yes." And this is actually probably the variant that I would have gone with. You guys can see here we've got diamond textured titanium on this, well, it's not really an inlay, it's just kind of milled into the frame, but there's a lot of good here aesthetically. You know, every time I would see this knife, I would think, oh my gosh, there are so many elements of that I just find so pleasing to the eye. I really want to experience it, and wow, first impressions, I am 10 times more excited for mine now, having handled this one just now. Man, that's cool. I'm curious if I can get my... There's not really enough room to get it in there. That's more of an aesthetic fuller, but boy, is it doing its job well. So these are, I believe, M390. Very beautiful satin finished blade. There were a ton of different options. Pocket clip is just wonderful. Has that swoop I always talk about. I love the how this raises around the pivot. I'm getting to the point where I'm like doing an aesthetic review before before it's appropriate. We need to wait so we can do the review all at once. Oh boy, this is going to be great. 3 awesome models I'm sure you guys are all going to be interested in. This was fantastic. Let me show his Instagram one more time so you guys know. Where did that go? Here, use the other one. There's his Instagram right there. Please give him a follow. Thank you so much, Ryan, for providing these. I am beyond excited to talk about these. That's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.